Error code 83 on Disney Plus typically indicates a device compatibility or connectivity issue. Here are some common solutions to resolve the issue. 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection if possible. 2. Restart the device. Restart the device you're using to stream Disney Plus, e.g., smart TV, phone, tablet, etc. 3. Update the Disney Plus app. Make sure your Disney Plus app is updated to the latest version on your device. If you're using a browser, check if your browser is updated as well. 4. Clear cache and data. If you're on a mobile device, try clearing the app's cache and data. This can resolve any corrupted data issues. For browsers, try clearing the cache and cookies. 5. Reinstall the Disney Plus app. Uninstall the Disney Plus app and reinstall it to ensure there are no corrupt files or issues with the installation. 6. Sign out and sign back in, log out of Disney Plus, and then log back in. Sometimes this can refresh your session. 7. Check for device compatibility. Make sure the device you're using is compatible with Disney Plus. Some older devices may not be supported. Visit Disney Plus support for a list of compatible devices. 8. Try a different device. If possible, try accessing Disney Plus on a different device to see if the issue is device-specific. 9. Contact Disney Plus support. If the problem persists, reach out to Disney Plus support for further assistance. Provide them with your device details and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. These steps should help you resolve the issue. Let me know if you need more help.